Rotary microtome for the study of histological, histochemical, histopathological, embryological, and several clinical studies. Very thin and fine section of organs and tissues are cut with the help of a machine called microtome. Micro means small, tome means to cut. The process is called as microtomy. Most of the biological laboratories are provided with rotary microtomes. Hence, we shall know about the rotary microtomes. The rotary microtome is the most common instrument found in a histology laboratory. The main components of a rotary microtome are base or microtome body, block holder or also known as cassette clamp. It holds the paraffin block in space. The block holder may have knobs or clamps that allow the user to manipulate the block face in various directions. Typically, the block moves up and downwards with each revolution. Next is blade holder or knife holder. The blade holder is anchored to the microtome stage on blade holder base. The knife holder base can be moved toward or away from the block. It must be stationary and locked during microtomy. The blade holder part is comprised of several components including the blade clamp that holds the blade, the knife adjustment clamp or knife tilt for adjusting the knife angle, and the faceplate that guides the ribbon away from the blade and towards the operator. Next important part is the hand wheel. The wheel operation is manual and in some case electrical type. It turns in one direction and provided with the operating handle. Most hand wheels are equipped with the safety lock to prevent the wheel from releasing itself. Last one is scale indication. The microtome is also provided with indicators that show section thickness.